Hey, what's up guys? Today I'll be installing Genpartsco D.I.P.S system or D.I.P.S system. These go right into the provision there when you pop out that middle section of the headlight on the Hellcats or your any 2015 Challenger. The purpose of these is, of course, they say to minimize debris and other foreign objects getting through the hole, I guess at top speed, and also to lower the temps by creating a ram style tunnel or tube going into the engine. I'm gonna install these here real quick and let's see how they look. It says just to put a little bit of dishwashing soap around the edges here. So I just got me a little dishwashing soap here. I'm gonna rub it around the little ring. Okay. Just gonna pop it in there. There's that one. I remember a little dishwashing soap goes a long way, so you don't have to put too much. Okay, there's that one. So I'm hoping this will funnel the air straight to my B-Woody intake and just help it. Even if it helps just a little on the highway, that'd be sweet. I also ordered from them, and I already installed it, was excuse the car, it's a little dirty. Was a little pull chunk. I got it in B5 blue to match, so that's pretty sweet. So just an easy install. You just take this off right here, unscrew it, slide it on, and tighten it back up. Takes you a couple seconds. Now if you're interested in ordering this, there's their number and their website. I'll be doing a little driving later on and see if I notice anything with the temperatures, or if there's any kind of I'm sorry, I dropped it. Yeah, well, just basically if there's any problems with it blocking any type of air, which it shouldn't. So well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. It's your first time looking, hit that subscribe button. Thanks guys.